is a 1980s Carrier Round 1 air conditioner running. It's got the old pad on it, the old Carrier. The logo used to be right there, but it has since gone. Putting out some heat. $19.86. That line is cold, and that one feels as it should. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. Hear that reciprocating compressor? Alright.